We are in front of the Gold Dutch Float. Going to do a tour today by tuk-tuk. This is the entrance to the fort. This is the new entrance built by the British, but the old entrance is from the other side.
Government offices are still residence also, sir.
Residences, offices, schools, port complex, shops, everything here. This was a hospital earlier. This was a hospital, and now this is converted to a shopping complex. Over there, that is a breadfruit tree. That is a breadfruit tree. You remember in Madhu River they showed breadfruit. So that was introduced to Sri Lanka by the Portuguese. This was the first breadfruit introduced to Sri Lanka about 400 years ago. And yeah, and see that stupa over there. Rumasala mountain or jungle, one of the main places related to Ramayana. So they say when Hanumanji was carrying this mountain part, one part fell. So here it's one of the places that they say parts of the mountain fell, and this plantation and plants around there are a lot of medicinal plants in there. Yeah. And this is one of the 14 bastions. You see, this is not an original gun, this is a duplicate. Originals are all taken to the museums. This one was originally hospital. You see this building that they told. Now
Dutch hospital.
Dutch hospital. Now converted to a shopping complex. Season is almost coming to end. Not till the off season. It's almost ending.
Rainy season, no business.
Yeah, rainy season, like because in Sri Lanka, one area rents in a particular time, then other area, eastern area, you can go and visit. Then it rains in the western and southern area.
To plan first time southern area, next time
Yeah, like
north. Better, no?
north and the east.
North and east.
Yeah, one trip south and the west and the mountain. Then the next trip east and the north. So you see this lighthouse built in 1938, right? This is not the original one. Original one burned down. It was over there. The lighthouse was a wooden one. The person who was working on the top of the lighthouse, to escape the fire, he jumped to the sea, but he did not survive. So after that, they built this lighthouse. Yes. Make video gun again. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
கோயந்த வாருங்க.
All mosque because Muslims were the traders, first traders of gold. So they built a mosque here. Called the flagship bastion. They put a flag here. Red flag or green flag. When you put the green flag only, the ships are allowed to come.
Is it called a silk route?
A silk route is a sea silk route goes through this area. So this is a rotatable gun. And this is the bastion that is further sea to the sea. You see? Other bastions are into the more land side. Photo எடுங்க அங்க நல்ல This one is a Buddhist temple, but the specialty is this one is the only Buddhist temple in Sri Lanka that looks like a church. So when you look from outside, you will think that it is a church, but it's actually a Buddhist temple. Only when you go inside that you will see it's a temple.
அங்கேயும் பக்கத்து துளசி மடம் மாதிரி இருந்தது அதான் வந்துட்டேன் நேராக
Mampalam. But we go up, we see the two bastions there that are like more bigger. Let's go up and see. We see the cricket stadium from here as well. So this is the Goal Cricket Stadium. Okay, smile. Okay, smile. Lungi. This side. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So this one is called the Moon Bastion. Moon Bastion. That one is the Sun Bastion. Then the other one, that one is the Star Bastion. So you see, there are so many main guns that are placed here. And these are the 3 landside bastions. 3 landside bastions to the land side, 11 bastions to the seaside. So this is to prevent landside attacks. So you see there are 2 churches there. There one is a Dutch church and other is called a Anglican church. One British type of church and other Dutch type of church.
Which is British?
British one is the one that is further away. First one is the Dutch Reformed Church. That is the oldest
What is
one.
this flag?
Flags. Because every year there's something called a big match happens once a year. 2 schools having a like big match. Then
They will play here.
yeah. So 2 days or 3 days.
3 days.
Okay. Yeah, everyone get together then.
everyone together.
Yeah. So everyone get together. A picture with the clock tower.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One from this side, you stand here, you go from there. I'll
Okay.
give you my phone also.
Okay. Thank you very
Ramesh
much.
is coming. Ramesh,
For me to keep. You need to unlock this one. You need to unlock this one, right?
பண்ணலாம் தப்பு இல்லை ஐ டோன்ட் மைண்ட் அந்த ஸ்டெர்க்கு ஸ்டெப் இருக்குல்ல அதில் இறங்குறது
Okay. 1, 2, 3. So Italy. No, not net. 1, 2, 3. Italy. Nice. So you see here, machine gun opening is different. Machine gun covers a particular area, like angle is different for each. So this fort was built by the Portuguese in 1580s. Then Dutch were the one main builders of the fort. They built from 1640. It's about most of these places, most of these walls and everything more than 350 years old. ஒரு ஃபோட்டோ 1000 இல்லை 1000 இல்லை 100 is this is showing that there were guards around here, guard in the place. Hello. Hari அழகான ஃபோட்டோ எடுத்துங்க. அழகான ஃபோட்டோ எடுங்க. Yeah, there. It's over there. They are parked over there. அங்கே இருக்கு ஆட்டா அங்கே இருக்கு.
அதுக்கப்புறம் எங்கன்னு பார்க்கணும்.
எங்கே நெக்ஸ்ட் சர்ச் போகிறீங்க. அப்புறம் சர்ச் முடியும். சர்ச் முடியும்.
அதுக்கப்புறம் ஓவரா?
You go to church, it's over. පල්ලිය නිකන් පොඩ්ඩක් පෙන්නලා ගේට් එක ගාව ඉඳන්. බස් එකේම දාමු මාත්‍යා. බස් එකට දාමුනේ. So this is the new gate built by the British.
Where we are going?
We are going to the church. That's the final place. Then finish. Then they take us to the bus. The church is closed today. Yes.
க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிக்கோ.
Today closed. Okay. Smile. Wait. इधर நல்ல photo. Okay. Everyone come. Or a group photo. Others no photo. It's not open, it's closed. Today it's closed. Open?
గేట్ వెళ్ళాలి.
The church is only
You can just go ahead. Yeah, close. Yeah, madam. Close, sir. Close. Yeah, close.
So this is Dutch Reformed Church. So they are religion the Dutch people believed in. This was built in 1755. See? So here if you go inside, you will see there are tombstones, big large tombstones inside the church, and they have a skeleton mark in the tombstone, because a lot of Dutch people died and their children died very young due to malaria here. When they came here, there were a lot of malaria going around, so their children and many people got sick with malaria and they died. So most of the people were buried here, so they marked a skeleton like head and two bones, skull and two bones to show that they have died young, untimely death,
In India, it is called danger.
and everything.
And these are
Who are which year? How old name?
These are all.
These are all also tombstones. You see the skull here,
Yes.
skull and the two bones. That means this person has died young.